Hello Samantha, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay, so what you are doing today?
I'm taking my driving lesson before my big driving test.
Okay, like a mock test.
Yeah.
Okay, let's discuss with the mock test. So what are the key areas you are focusing today for your drive test?
I'm focusing on before indication,
Yeah.
looking in my rear view mirror.
Okay, this mirror, center mirror,
Yes,
right?
center
Okay.
mirror.
Yep.
And I'm also, when I brake,
Yeah.
I also must look
At the mirror.
in the
Okay.
mirror as well.
This is part of your observation and you will be marked for this. Okay. At the next set of traffic light, turn left and finish into the right lane. And speed limit is 80 km/h. Okay. Turn left into the far right lane. Fastest. You are entering to the 80s. Yeah. Just to maintain the speed limit. It's called speed management. Once you enter in the highest speed zone area, you must maintain the speed. Otherwise, all the cars coming from the back side, they are coming with more speed, okay? Because they have a license. When safe, move to the left lane. Excellent. See, you did not slow down the car, you give your signal, you did the head check. Okay, that's a very good one. Nevertheless, never slow down during the test. Try to maintain your speed. Now, we are going to approach to the speed limit 60 during your test, and I will notify these things before, okay? Because in the school zone, your test at 2:30 or 2:40 your test, right? So you are voluntarily under the school zone. Make sure that go under 5. Okay, you see the electric 80 is coming. From there it will be converted into 60 because both right and left hand side you have a school zone. Okay, make sure you see the 80. So this 80 will be converted into 60.
Yeah.
Okay, not now. Okay, now you are braking. So before braking, look at the mirror. Good girl. You are doing so good, Samantha. So if I tell you how much your confidence level 0 to 10 after the last lesson, how much you will rate yourself, self-rating?
I'd say maybe an 8.58.
Very good, very honest. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now,
The lessons really helped me.
no, definitely. We just discussed the key area where the people, make a safer driver on the road. Plus, you can success on your test. Now, you see that after the traffic light, 60 zone is coming.
Yes.
So this is your school timing. Okay, not now. Okay, during the test, Samantha, if your tester is asking you, move to the right lane when safe, and if there is a car coming very fast or there is a car on the right hand lane, can you change the lane? No. Yes or no?
No.
No, definitely no. Okay, yeah. Especially you see the Subaru is going WRX.
Yes.
So these people drive very fast. They don't care about the speed limit. Okay, so you have to make sure that the speed of the car, distance, gap, everything. Okay, and if we go during the test, there is a stop sign. What you will do? How long you will stop at the stop sign?
I'd say minimum would be 5 seconds.
3 seconds will be fine, but it should be a complete stop.
Yeah.
Okay. Move to the right lane when safe. Okay. Because it's a 80 zone. Okay. So please make sure that you 75. Okay. It's not a school time now. This 60 is not applicable for you now. And your school zone will finish here. Okay. This is a normal 80. Well done. Good luck.